What do you think, Chris? Are you excited?
I'm pumped. I am pumped. I've never driven one. That's the most exciting thing. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this, well, okay, it's not fast, but it is a 1988 Land Cruiser. It's an FJ62. It's an inline 6 with an automatic, and this does have EFI, which is electric fuel injection. And for 88, that was a big deal. These are everything that you've heard. They are dependable, they're Toyota, and they're just great. And this happens to have, you ready for this, Jake?
Yeah.
82,000 miles on it. We believe it to be a 2-owner vehicle. Obviously 4 doors, 4-wheel drive, 2-speed transfer case. It's got all the cool stuff for 1988. Jake said this is easy to open.
It's a split.
Oh, show me, Jake, show me.
You got the button back here.
Nice, so you hit the button, you open it. Oh,
and then you got
so
that
cool.
to open the bottom part.
Oh, stop it. Oh, look at Toyota. And
got a bunch of floor mats back here. Got some Land Cruiser seat covers in case you want to throw those on and protect that amazing upholstery, because it is in mint condition.
Oh,
the upholstery. It looks fantastic. I'll let you close that up.
People took care of it.
Also, the decals on the side are just cool. I wish more car companies put mountains on the side of their off-roaders. That would be nice. Oh, hey.
Hey, look, it's backseat for real people. For real people, and my gosh, it's so clean.
Yeah, this is a family-oriented car.
And it's got power windows, power brakes, AC. It's got everything.
4-wheel drive, obviously.
Well, that's the key right there. Oh man, so you drive a Land Rover in the bush, and if you want to get back out of the bush, you bring this, the Land Cruiser. It does everything. It's just cool. Fast? No. But you know what? When you're going in the woods or wherever you're going to drive off-road, this is the one to take.
And we have an aftermarket Pioneer head unit, which is nice. So you get your modern music out of your iPod telephone you can listen to, which is always nice. There's your button for your rear window defogger up there. And then your transfer case shifter down there. Very nice. GoPro not included.
GoPro not included. Jake will be sad. Would you look at it? Would you just look at it?
I'm looking at it. It's glorious. It's not exciting, but it's glorious. And it'll run longer than you will. So.
Yes, it's older than you, and it will last forever. Yeah. Because, it's been very well cared for by all the owners. I am so excited about driving it. I know it's not fast, but it is cool.
Yes. You ready to go?
Let's go, man. Let's go.
These things are just rad. I don't know how to describe them. There's all the lights. Other blinker, very nice. And the brights. The late 80s and early 90s for SUVs, I think, was the pinnacle. With all the decals and stuff, you got like the Ranger Splash, this thing. Oh, reverse lights, very nice. And why don't we do this anymore? One blinker, the other blinker, very nice. Again, not the most exciting noise ever, but that's not why you're buying a Land Cruiser. Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
Oh, we have modern seatbelts for modern people.
And we're pretty modern.
We are pretty modern.
But Jake, look at all this.
I'm more modern than this car.
Well, yeah.
You aren't.
How dare you?
Yeah, it has a tilty wheel. You gotta pull, I think, up on that little lever.
You
there
do.
You go. Tilt wheel, luxury option. There's your Pioneer head unit with Bluetooth. Air conditioning controls and all that down here. Oh, electric power mirrors.
Boogie, woogie, woogie.
Boogie, woogie, woogie. They're electric.
Boogie, woogie, woogie. That was when they made noise. So you got the 4-wheel drive high. You've got intermittent wipers for the rear window defogger plus just on.
Oh yeah, I forgot we have a rear wiper back there.
We most certainly do.
Then you got a transfer case shifter like I mentioned earlier. Right here, transmission, obviously.
With overdrive.
With overdrive.
Toyota.
And you have a light for your transmission oil temp.
Isn't that nice?
I just noticed that. That's very cool. Got a console here for storage. You can put all your CDs in there.
Sure.
Although this no longer has a CD or a cassette player because it's got updated radio.
Radio has been updated.
And the dash is in pristine condition.
So is this vehicle.
I mean, the whole thing, yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
I don't know if it gets any better than Toyota Land Cruisers. I really don't. And this 88, boy, it just was cared for. 82,912 miles. Wow.
I mean, if you want to save money on maintenance, you buy a Toyota.
Yeah, you do. It'll go anywhere.
Plus, it looks cool.
Well, it's definitely retro, and I think it's just a beautiful vehicle.
All right, here we go.
And this was not the fastest vehicle in the world, that's for sure.
No, in
That's
fact,
not why you bought it.
Some of the slowest, but
Could be.
who cares?
But look at all the gauges. Did you notice the RPM gauge in the middle, which is really wicked?
Very nice.
I know. They thought of everything. This is open and closed vents, which, my God, you got everything in this thing. Holy cow, you can feel it. Blowing cold.
All right, we're up to the roundabout. And we have all the very nice American flags and freshly planted flowers.
250.
They went for red, white, and blue. It's kind of red, white, and purple in the flowers, but oh well.
It looks blue to me.
All the flags are cool, though. It's Memorial Day weekend coming up.
It is. It is.
And this is the perfect thing to road trip down to the lake for Memorial Day weekend.
Absolutely.
A Land Cruiser with mountains on the side of it. Can't get much better than that.
The Ozark Mountains. Wouldn't really call them mountains. Maybe big hills.
Yeah.
And if you ever heard of the Ozarks, this TV show's a little off, but
Yeah.
good for Jason Bateman. Do what he wants. Glad he's doing well.
You know, I've never actually been to the Lake of the Ozarks.
What?
Never seen it.
No.
Never been there.
No, for the love of Mike. Well, you
Sorry.
need to get there.
We're gonna go soon.
Let's go now.
Yeah, we could. How much gas do we have?
Plenty. We do actually have plenty.
This thing probably doesn't get terrible gas mileage.
It's
It
not
is
awful.
fuel injected.
It is fuel injected, so
Probably
it's efficient.
a little better than the carbureted version.
Very, which you could still get up
look at
until
that.
I think 90. Power windows, which by the way is cool.
They are cool and they work very well. Yours is the odd looking button over there. The other three are for the back windows.
Yes, I like these. I like this all. Power locks.
Absolutely.
You're welcome.
And I have an oh-you-know-what handle up here. And I have
got
an
one right here.
oh-you-know-what handle down here. Just in case Chris wants to drive crazy in the Land Cruiser. I guess if you're rock crawling, you want to be able to hang on.
I think you could with this. I like all of the things that it represents, and honestly, I am very comfortable in this vehicle.
These seats are very comfy, and we do have full back seats for real people. And the upholstery is in great condition as
Unreal.
well back there. And then you got a lot of space in the back for luggage and the dog and, you know,
We need space.
space.
Space. Final frontier. No, I like this a lot.
I mean,
It's a Land Cruiser.
who wouldn't like it? See if I can figure out how to get to the FOOM radio. Ah, here we go.
Introducing the new Chick-fil-A jalapeno
Oh,
ranch close
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, huh?
We're gonna get busted for saying that?
I don't think so.
Well, I like chicken.
Radio works good though. Speakers work
Yes.
great. I'm pretty sure it's probably just the stock speakers. Looks like it. All the stock speaker covers are there. Very nice. And
Very
even all the
nice.
plastics.
Oh, stop it.
You have to think, they're what, 30 years old now?
Oh, yeah.
No. Yes.
88.
No. 40 years old.
Yes.
38.
My lord.
Oh man.
My Lanta.
Anyway, nothing is like scratched or broken or cracked. It just looks really good. Headliner's in great condition still. Map light works, of course, back here. Dome light.
Dome light. I assume you have a map in a car like this, a vehicle like this.
Oh, electric antenna.
Boogie, woogie, woogie.
Wow, it's fast too.
Come on.
Very fast.
And it works.
We're not listening to the radio, so I'm going to put it down for aerodynamics.
Oh, yes. That's what we want to do. It's essentially a large box going through the wind, but
Yeah,
we'll
you're going
take
to
it.
need every bit of advantage you can get from the aero, because, like he said, it's basically the shape of a brick trying to cut through the wind.
Hello. I don't think we're going to have a lot of beans, but I'm not slowing down. I'm full bore.
This will go over the bump just fine.
What bump?
Exactly.
I'm going to get over here so I don't run this kid over with the bike.
That's very nice of you, Chris.
Well, I don't like to hurt people. Oh, man, what a glorious, glorious little driver.
I'll maybe do one flyby
I don't see why not.
so we can hear it, but again, it's not going to make a lot of noise.
It just isn't a noisy vehicle.
Blinker works, it's flashing up in the dash, very nice.
Kind of what I expected in a Toyota, I'll be honest. If it didn't work, I'd be shocked.
I like the design,
I do
or
too.
lack thereof. It's very much just, here's all the stuff you want in your car. We put it right here in front of you so you can go ahead and use it. The
Jake,
design language is square.
I looked at the sticker, and we've got part of the sticker partial. You know how much this was new in 1988?
New in 19, let me guess, 1988.
The year before Roadhouse came out, and just, you guys playing along at home.
I'm gonna go with like $17,000.
You would have gotten a deal if you bought it for that. 23 grand.
Wow, really?
Yes.
That much? I wish you could still get a Land Cruiser for 23 grand.
Boy, you can't. You just can't. This is just a well-preserved piece right here. It really is. And it's got everything you kind of want.
Exactly.
I mean, what else do you want?
Nothing.
No, you don't. That's the heater for the back. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. It's down there. You
Oh,
ready
for
to
the
do
love. Yeah, let's do a flyby. Why not?
flyby time?
Flyby time. There's your AC button. 82,000 miles. My goodness. Pretty cool noise. Does have a new exhaust from what I gather. There she goes. There she goes. Nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
A tremendously underwhelming amount of speed.
I figured
But
as
I
much.
don't care because I look good doing it.
You do. This is a good looking vehicle. It's just a well done vehicle.
And it's a Toyota, so I have the peace of mind that it's going to function every time I go to use it.
And that is exactly why you buy it.
That's worth the price of admission.
Absolutely.
You ready to take this thing back?
Let's go.